station, and we are going to zip line this morning here in Pikeville. Y'all excited? Yes.
Totally excited.
Who goes zip line at 8 o'clock in the morning? We do. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that part either. I can't think so. Somebody don't stop.
Flipping around the marathon. Yeah. Those things are going almost as yeah.
You gotta pull back pretty hard.
2, 3. I like that one too. That one was so cool.
Had one lady come down this and close her eyes.
Did she really?
For me. Hold your feet up. Yeah.
So fun. I'm having so much fun with this. I love this.
Hi, Jordan. You made it. That's Grace.
It's been third time. It helped her, didn't it?
Yeah. Sorry. False alarm. You ready? Yep. Have a seat for me. Hold your feet up. Let's sit down.
Alright, you ready?
Have a seat for me. Hold your foot up.